Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I hope you like this video and I hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You're going to see how I accomplished doing box braids in my hair. I will be using packs of this, and I've never really had color braids before, but this one actually fades from 1B to a burgundy color, so I hope it turns out nice. We'll see. Also, I like to condition my hair with Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I also use my regular oil that I normally use to apply on my hair. You know, you don't want any type of dryness when you're doing your braids, and or any damages after you take your braids out. And then I will seal it in with some jam. Let's get started. Okay, so before I wash my hair, but I want to show you guys how I normally prep my hair before I do box braids. I've already actually split my hair up into sections for the braids, so that it doesn't take me too long to actually do them, because the longest part is dividing your hair up and parting your hair, and that takes the longest time because you want to make sure that your parts are straight. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to take this from the package and split them up. I hope this is enough hair for my head, because I have a big head. You see the ends, you don't want blunt ends, so I'm gonna have to, because it's not pre-stretched, so I'm gonna have to stretch it. Take the rubber band off of it. And I guess my difficult part right now is I'm not really sure how big I want the hair to be, or how big I want my box braids to be. So I'm gonna say about like that. I'm just gonna split it up, and then layer it like so. And I guess I'm going to test it out on this part of my head to show you how it's actually going to look. And then I'll do the rest of my hair and let you guys see the finished touch. Because normally I start in the back of my head, but for this video, I'm just gonna show you which method I'll be using, because there's so many methods to just box braid. And I'm horrible at parting my hair, horrible. And while I was parting my hair, I actually broke my mirror to see the back of my head, and I just didn't feel like going to the store right then and there. gonna put my oil on my hair first. Because I want to make sure my hair is extra moisturized. And then I'm going to seal it in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to put the jam for my edges. Split up my hair in 2 pieces. Okay, so this one's completed. Now I'm about to do this side. I've already oiled it and put the leave-in conditioner on there. So move this one out the way. And like I said, for the sake of this video, I'm just doing the front part to show you guys how I do it. This is just 1 piece. Like this, and then I cross over. Now I'm gonna grab this one. It's really hard to do this in slow motion. And then I see this part starting to get a little thinner than the other part, I just grab a little bit. I will show you the last bit of my braids. But just wanted to show you the two up front so you guys get an idea of how I braid my entire hair. All right, I'll be back. I've had burgundy hair before, and I'll show you a picture of how my hair was when it was fully burgundy. And I might actually go back to that color. Let me know what you think about me going back to burgundy hair. But it's not too much burgundy. It just, you know, highlights and then it goes fully burgundy. But we'll see how it looks at the end. Okay, so you know, as I was doing my hair and taking out my individual plaits that I got going on, look at the definition on this. Now I want to take out my braids and do a twist out. Okay, you guys, I am officially done braiding my hair. Now all I have to do is trim my ends, and then I will boil some water and dip it in the hot water. But right now, this is what it turned out. This is what it looks like. So I'm actually pretty happy with the color. I actually wanted more burgundy, but that's okay. I like it. Let me know what you guys think about my box braids. All right, now let me go ahead and trim the end, and I'll do it like this.